My favorite online graphing calculator is at Desmos.com. When you go to the web page, you'll see this screen. To start graphing, you'll click here where it says Start Graphing, and it'll take you to this page. When you're ready to type in your first function, you'll come over to the left hand bottom corner and click on where it says Show Keypad. And this gives you all of your options for what you can graph on this particular graphing calculator. I'm going to graph x squared plus 5x plus 6. You can also hide your keypad by clicking the same place where you clicked to show your keypad. So the graph is showing on the screen now, and what I really like about this online graphing calculator is I can zoom out as much as I want to and show that the graph continues in the positive infinity direction for y, in both the negative and positive infinity directions for x, giving a really good demonstration of the end behavior. I can also zoom in as closely as I would like to see exactly where the x-intercepts are located and where the relative minimum is located. The other thing I really like is if you click on the graph itself, you see other key features appear. So I have a gray dot right here where the y-intercept is. If I click on it, I can make the ordered pair permanent on the screen. If I click on it again, it'll go away. Same thing with your x-intercepts and your relative minimum. If you click on them, the ordered pairs show permanently on the screen. So I'm going to create another graph right here on the same xy plane. I'm going to make this one x plus 3. So when I include this linear equation, you see how it's a different color. The first equation I graphed was the red parabola, and the second equation I graphed is the green linear function. What's great about it is if you were working a system of equations and you wanted to check your solutions, this would be a great way to visually see what you were solving for. And you could click where they intersect and know exactly if your ordered pairs for your solutions are correct or not. You also see the other key feature of the graph here in gray. If you click there, you can make it appear permanently also. So each subsequent graph that you add is created in a different color. So another type of function you can graph on Desmos is an absolute value function. So now I have that showing up in green. You can do lots of other functions. You can do a square root function. That one shows up in purple now. And over here, where this key is located, this functions button, if you click here, you see all of your trig functions. You see all of your possibilities for what Desmos offers in statistics and in the distributions. And then under the miscellaneous tab, you can find natural log, log, summation notation, integrals, derivatives. So you have lots of options for higher math concepts. But this is just my favorite online graphing calculator just because I feel like it really gives students a strong visual representation of the graph, and they can zoom in or out and really play around with it and have a much better time navigating through it than most of their graphing calculators can show them.